Hello, good morning everyone. Okay, today we will discuss about the business which is used for management. Okay, so now we will started from the overview of business. Okay, so a business entity is an organization that uses a economic resource to provide goods या service to customers in exchange for money या other goods and service. Means a business entity is an organization. It is nothing but it is an organization which is uses economic resources to provide goods and service. ओके मतलब यह यूज करता है इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्स को गुड्स एंड कस्टमर के लिए गुड्स एंड सर्विस प्रोवाइड कराने के लिए. ओके, जिसके बदले में इन एक्सचेंज फॉर मनी या अदर गुड्स एंड सर्विस, जिसके बदले में वह मनी लेता है या फिर गुड या सर्विस लेता है, गुड्स या सर्विस लेता है. ओके, दैट वाज द ओवरव्यूज ऑफ बिजनेस. नाउ वी विल discuss about the types of business. So mainly there are three broadly major types of business. There are mainly three types of business. Okay, first is service business, second is merchandising business which is also known as trade business. Okay, and third is manufacturing business. So we will discuss about the first type of business, which is a service business. Okay, what is service business? That means in service business, this type of business provides intangible products. What do you mean by intangible products? Intangible products means product with no physical forms. That product which have no physical forms. Okay, means intangible products means that product which is not sees, look या touched by the any person. Okay, अर्थात that product which with no physical forms. Okay, service type firms business. Firms is nothing but it is type synonyms of business. Okay, service type firms offers a professional skills, expertise, advice and other similar product. Okay, this type of means service type of firms provide a professional skills, expertise, advice and other similar products. There are few example of service business, which is example of service business are like as a saloon, repair shop, banks, accounting firms and law firms. Firms business, all these type of business are a service business, which is give a service to us. In exchange of he take they take money या other goods and service. Okay, now we will discuss about a merchandising business. What is merchandising business, which is second type of business? Merchandising business, it is also known as trade business. Merchandising business means it is also known as trade business. Okay, what do you do in merchandising business? So we will see just immediately. Merchandising types of business buys products. Okay, merchandising types of business buys products at wholesale price. Okay, it buys a product at wholesale price and sells the same thing at a retail price. मतलब वो होलसेल प्राइस पर लेता है और रिटेल प्राइस पर बेच देता है. सो दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज बाई एंड सेल बिजनेस. ओके, second point of merchandising business, what they make a profit, means merchandising business make a profit by selling the same product at higher prices than their purchased price. means प्रॉफिट बनाता है कब, कैसे? बाय सेलिंग द सेम प्रोडक्ट्स एट हायर प्राइजेस. हायर प्राइजेस पर बेच कर, हायर प्राइस किससे? देन द परचेस्ड कॉस्ट. ओके, a merchandising business sells a product without changing its forms. The main feature and the main important point of okay, I have some environmental problem, so sorry. Means a merchandising business sells a product without changing its form. Okay, means merchandising, yeah, it is a very important points which have to see and hear, listen carefully. That is, a merchandising business sells a product without changing its forms. Okay, means merchandising business सेल्स ए प्रोडक्ट, प्रोडक्ट को बेचता है, ठीक है, विथआउट चेंजिंग इट्स फॉर्म, बिना इसके फॉर्म को बदले हुए, ठीक, विच जो जैसा मतलब पहले से खरीदा था होलसेल प्राइस पे, उसको बिना बदले ये बेचता है एट ए रिटेल प्राइस. ओके, सॉरी. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मर्चेंडाइजिंग बिजनेस आर grocery stores. That grocery means किराना, stores means वही grocery stores means किराना दुकान. convenience stores, distributors and other resellers. Grocery stores is the most important example for the merchandising business. What do you do in a grocery stores? In the grocery stores we first purchase a good at a wholesale price, and after this we will sell that same thing, same good, same product at a retail price. Retail price is higher than a purchased price. So how many profit is occurred between these and these? That is my profit. Okay, and the third, manufacturing business. Now we will discuss about the manufacturing business, which is a third type of business. This business is just unlike a merchandising business. It is just unlike a merchandising business. Okay, a manufacturing business buys a product. It is also buys a product with the intention of using them. Intention means इरादा होता है. Okay, a manufacturing business buys a product with the intention of using them. Means manufacturing business buys a प्रोडक्ट को खरीदता है किसके इरादे से? और इसको यूज करने के इरादे से. यूज देम एज ए मटेरियल्स इसको यूज करने के इरादे से वो क्या खरीदता है? प्रोडक्ट. ओके, इन ए मेकिंग ए न्यू प्रोडक्ट. ओके, means a manufacturing business buys a product with the intention of using them एज ए मटेरियल इन मेकिंग अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट। मीन्स इसमें क्या करता है कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बिजनेस प्रोडक्ट को बाई खरीदता है फर्स्ट में, किसके इरादे से, कि इरादा उसका यह रहता है कि मतलब उसको यूज करके एज ए मटेरियल वी प्रोवाइड या वी मेक ए न्यू प्रोडक्ट। ओके, thus there is a ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ परचेस्ड प्रोडक्ट। जो हम परचेस करते हैं प्रोडक्ट को, उसको एज ए मटेरियल यूज करके न्यू डिवाइस बनाते हैं, न्यू प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं। लाइक एज फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट वी परचेस्ड वेराइटी टाइप ऑफ IC, ओके, microprocessor, transistor. It is also product which is bought by me, and using all of these things we make a new product, like as electrical and electronic device, like as bulb, okay, charger, a mobile. Then the mobile is also product, but it is manufactured by us. Okay, manufacturing business and the merchandising business are similarly same, but in merchandising business product, it is not product with how it is. In merchandising business product will be sell without changing in its form, okay, but in manufacturing business a product is also what, a product is also sell, but with changing in its form, okay. Now next point is a manufacturing business combines raw materials, kacha materials, labor is used for manufactured the product with the help of purchased product, and overhead costs, okay, in this production process, okay. क्या था यहाँ, हाँ, a manufacturing business combines raw materials, labor and overhead costs in this production process, okay. Then the manufactured goods will be sold, बेचा जाएगा, either directly to customer या retailers या wholesalers, okay. That was the basic definition of business and type of business. So take care, bye bye, thank you.